Hey guys, welcome back to brightnighttech. My name is Berto and today we are looking at the FIFINE BM38 RGB boom arm stand. We're going to start with an unboxing and then take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, here is the box. I love FIFINE's artwork and their box. It's always brightly colored, it looks very professional. We got some gloss going on the product itself. It shows you exactly what you're getting. Looking back here, here's some information if you are curious. This product is pretty straightforward, but I love that they still include information. Okay, let's go ahead and open this guy up. I mean, if you've ever owned a mic with a mic stand, you'll be pretty familiar with everything. Here is the clamp that goes to it. Looks good. Easy to use, nice. All right, let's take out the rest of it. Oh, and here are the instructions. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward, but if you are curious about any information, you can go on here and take a look. I mean, especially if this is like your first mic stand, I mean, you picked a pretty awesome one. You can take a look there and I'll show you how to set this guy up, and I'll show you in just a second as well. Alright, let's take this guy out. Looks like a mic stand, boom mic arm. Looks great. We got the USB cable right there. Feels nice and hefty. It is, FIFINE uses quality materials with their stuff. It never feels cheap. And you can see the lights right there, which will shine when we plug it in. There's a little adapter for the mic, so you can put in different types of mics on here, but we'll go ahead and set it up and you guys can take a look at what it looks like when it's on. That's everything in the box. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, very simple. We have the clamp, we have the mic arm. We're gonna pop that in right there. You see this little knob? It's going to, if you tighten it, it's going to make sure that that arm does not go right or left. This is the clamp. We're going to undo the clamp to open it up. You open it up to the size of the table you're going to put it on, like that, and then you're going to twist the other way to tighten it. All right, just like that. Beautiful. Tuck the little wire down there, and that's it. All right, here is the mic input part. It comes with that adapter right there. I am going to use my FIFINE T732 microphone with this. Now this one doesn't need the adapter, so we are just gonna pop this guy in here like this. Definitely want to make sure I use the FIFINE mic with this, because these things are made to work with each other. All right, you're gonna tighten it right there, and that's pretty much it. It already looks amazing, and it's just a microphone. Okay, let's turn this guy on. Comes with a USB cable. You just pop that into a square, and boom, it turns on just like that. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the lights so you guys can get a better look. Boom. All right, the button is right in the top there, right next to the microphone. All you do is just push it, and it will cycle through the different lighting options. This one's probably my favorite, FYI. Here's a little close-up of what it looks like. This is really cool. I mean, if you guys are doing streaming, anything like that, gaming, this is just a cool aesthetic, honestly. I know there's a lot of people that just have a ton of different RGB things. If that is you, this is definitely something to add to your whole setup. Look at that. All right, so how much is it and where can you get it? You can pick this guy up on Amazon. Right now the price is $42.49. Regular price is $69.99, and they have a black and white version of it. I'm really happy with this. Like I said, I'm very impressed with the quality. I might start doing some streaming soon, and this will definitely be my microphone for that. If this is your first time getting a microphone boom arm, just get this one. It is, like I said, really nice and hefty, and I mean, the colors are just amazing. The color changes are seamless. I highly recommend you go out and get this right now. Awesome price, you can't beat it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.